Hello and welcome. So the latest products for Cardfight Vanguard G are out. So I got these from my local store. This is Clan Booster Volume 4, Unmei no Haguruma. The set logo is written right here. You can see the words. Okay. Show you the packaging. No, I can't. You know what? I'll move these to the side. Okay. So we can focus on one box and I can show you the details. Okay. So here's the box. Okay, you can see typical fare, Cardfight Vanguard G logo up on top, set logo below. The main card of the set is featured in front here. This time it's a generation rare, and this is Deus Ex Machina, Demidogos, okay, the only generation rare in this set, and possibly the card that got me interested in pre-ordering this in the first place, but let's not talk about that. All right. Two of the characters from the anime. We have Myoji Niruze, the main antagonist of the recent season, right? The Strike Gate season, which just ended. Okay, so this thing comes out at the end of the season. This is the final set of the season. Also, we have Shindo Chrono, right here, the main protagonist of all the G series, and obviously he's in his recent season outfit. Okay, take a look around the box. Typical fare again for clan boosters. We have the triple R cards shown here, 4 of the triple R cards. Okay. On the other side, we have the logo information. All right. This is what you expect to get. Okay, we have 12 packs. Each pack includes 7 cards. So we have 5 common cards, 1 R card, and 1 R and above. All right. So 7 cards per pack. All right. Features 1 clan, the Chronicle clan. And what's this box right here? You see the exclamation mark. It says secret. So this is the SP clan pack. All right. We're getting SP clan packs in clan boosters now. So that's pretty cool. All right. There's a bit of information about what's inside in case you didn't know. 1 clan Gear Chronicle, 45 different cards, 42 new ones, and 3 reprints. Okay. So 1 type of generation rare, 5 types of triple rares, 7 types of double rares, 14 types of rares, and 18 types of commons. And for parallels, we have 1 super generation rare and 8 SPs, as well as for the SP clan pack, we have another 14 SPs. All right. So, yep, that's all. Barcodes at the back and nothing much at the bottom. There's a good mirror to see my setup, so you guys are seeing too much. Alright, so got my pen, got my box. Right, let's get unboxing. Okay, so we have 6 boxes to cover. That's a lot more than my last video, which I did only 3 clan booster boxes. So we have a lot to cover. I'll try to finish it on time. Okay. For the first box, which is this one right here, I'll show you guys the common cards, the R cards and all that, after which we'll just skip to the last card of each pack for the subsequent boxes, alright? So a bit of information, blah blah blah. I don't really care about this type of things usually. Okay, card lists and all. Yeah, this, that, yeah. Alright, stuff that we don't need. Alright, so main event. Unboxing the packs, alright? So let's get going. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see the comments. Okay. The R pattern is quite nice this time. And wow, look at that. We've got 1 holographic card already. Okay. This is the new support for the time leap builds. Okay. Steam Maiden Meskia. It's a very, very good card. So nice that we're getting 1 copy of this. Okay. Now I forgot to mention, but other than the 45 different types of cards, there is a chance you will get a special reprint of Chrono Dragon Next Stage in this set, okay? He's reprinted as R, but he's not counted in the 45 cards. He's actually a special inclusion, okay? So if we see it, that'll be nice, because I do not own any copies of Next Stage yet. Alright. So what's interesting about each clan booster is that it includes 12 packs, but the chances of getting holographic cards are typically going to be 2 triple rares and 4 double rares. So there's a total of 6 holographic cards. So it's about 1 in 2 packs are going to be holographic cards. So that's pretty fun to unbox, I feel. And if you get GRs, they replace your triple Rs, but if you get SPs, they replace your Rs, so that increases it to a total of 7 holographic cards. That's even better, right? So you guys can see the comments. Lots of nice art in this set, okay? I'm a big fan of the steampunk feel. See, I was talking about this one, this guy right here, see? This is our reprint of Chrono Dragon Next Stage. So we can get him in R, okay? He has the standard G backing as well. So yup. Looks quite interesting as an R. Wow, surprisingly, huh? Just talking about it and it appears. What a coincidence. Okay, let's keep going. Now this card I was very excited about when I saw the artwork reviewed, and quite disappointed by its effect. But hey, it's cool. Reminds me of Chloe from Luck and Logic. If you guys play Luck and Logic, you would know what I'm referring to. Looks like the very nice TransUnion. And we have our first triple R right here. Very nice. Okay, this is the Prospechia Idiadrun, okay, the new build, okay. Keep going. Alright, another holographic card right here. This is our new G Guardian. Okay, Jikuju, Pandora Chimera. Okay, it's a weaker version of Deny Griffin, which is strange because its cost is the same as Deny Griffin, but it's worse off. Kind of unfair, isn't it? But what can we do? Okay. So if you guys hear some knocking sounds in the background, that's my neighbors. Not sure what they are doing. Okay, I just want to mention this R card right here as well. Okay, this is interesting because it's actually a Zodiac Time Beast. Okay, this is what's this? Chrono Tiga. Alright. So you can see the race down there. It's written Junishi Kokuju. Alright, so it is part of the Zodiac Time Beast. So quite interesting. It's just an R, but interesting to take note of this card. It was used in the anime. Okay. Nice strike. All right. Okay. Another nice card right here. This is the Diablo no Idiadron. Okay, sorry, Muji use this card in the show. It's good for binding cards. Alright, so look at that. So this is our other triple R card. Looks very nice, doesn't it? So this is one of the new stripes. As you can see. Very, very nice new stripe fusion. Okay, and onto the last pack of the box. Right. Okay. And our last holo card for this set, or for this box rather. Alright. The new Chronicle for Colonel Fan builds. Okay. Yoru no Naku. Gear Tabi. Nice card. Alright, so we're done with this box. There's nothing else inside. Alright, let's move on to the next one. We have total of 6 boxes to cover. So that is double what we did with the Clan Booster Volume 3, so I better not waste too much time. Okay, let's pick up the pace. Oh yeah, I said pick up the pace, then I mess up, can't open the packs properly. More haste, less speed. Alright, so yep. Alright, nothing much. Okay. The place is a bit messy. Let's try to sort things out a little. Right, holo card. Oops. So we've seen this already. Right. Oh, Geto da ze. We have the Gate treasure campaign, and congratulations, we have 1 point. Right, should go and redeem this. Right. This thing looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Excuse me. Sorry I'm not talking much, trying not to waste too much time, because the realization hit me that we do not have a lot of time to waste. Anyway, got another triple R. Okay, this is the GG, look at that. GG. Alright, this is Chrono Dragon Gear Groovy. So, Shindo Chrono's new ace card, I think. Very nice. The excitement is mainly around this new card, and a lot of people are opening this set for this card. Which, yeah, it's nice that we got it. See how many we can get. Right. Nani kore? Alright, just had to make that joke. Anyway, this is Steam Tamer Nani, the new support card for the Chrono Fang builds. Okay, his name is Nani. Yes. Interesting name, huh? Alright. Ooh. Right, our G Guardian. Okay, this is our other G Guardian. You can see. And there's some weird sounds in the background. Not sure it's related to the card appearing, but hey. This is a very cool new card. Jikuryo. Hetero Round Dragon. Alright. Moving on. Right. Alright. Alright, our new Sentinel. Steam Keeper. Rabashim. So, new perfect shield for your time leap focus decks. Not sure if it replaces the existing one entirely, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright. This is the new Grade 2 for Chrono Jet builds. Okay, it's a triple R. It's a triple R Grade 2. Okay, Delayed Blazer Dragon. Right. So I think so far we've seen quite a lot of different cards already. I mean, just on the double rares alone, we've seen quite a lot. Triple rares as well. Got quite some variety. Which, let me take a look and see. yeah, we've got all the ones, I think, on the box. I think so. No. Yes? This guy the same card? Alright. So yeah. 4 types of the triple rares and your double rares. We have quite a lot as well. Alright, I know, I shouldn't be dwelling on these, alright? Let's just get and move on, alright? Okay. Next box. Whoa. Right, first pack. Again, our nice G Guardian. Right, another triple R. Okay. Ephemeral Wand Dragon. Okay. Yeah. That makes. I think I have almost every single type of holographic card. Yeah, I have, except for our copper card. Which is cool. We have everything. Alright. Ah, see, I just had to mention it. All right, yeah. So yup, that makes me have a full collection of everything. Right, so I have not a full collection of everything. Let me correct that statement. I have at least one of every holographic card so far. Right, just like that. So that's a start. Okay. Right, this unboxing turning out pretty well. Huh? Can show you guys all of the different cards. Oh, I just love how much of this I'm getting. That is nice. Okay, at this rate I might have to start a new stack for the common cards. It's getting very, very tall. Okay, another of our gear tabby. This pack just refuses to cooperate with me. We are recording, please. Alright. So much effort and that's all. Keep going. And I apologize, my box has moved out of frame. I just realized that. Okay. Very nice. Right. Anyway, we were down to the last pack already. So, yep. Let me just reorganize some stuff before we do the next box. We are at the halfway point, alright? 3 boxes down, 3 boxes remain. You know what? I think I'll put the comments here. Like so. So the new comments come here. Alright. Next box. Okay. Ooh. Another next stage, guys. We are getting a lot of G Guardians. I hope I stop getting G Guardians. I do not need so many copies of them. I'd rather have some of the other double rares. Alright. Triple rare. Now this is honestly the triple rare I'm least excited for. So, yep. Let's see if this box improves as we go along. Not bad. Chrono Tiger Rebellion. So a second copy of Rebellion. Oh, my box is out of frame again. Alright. Okay, more of this card. Leave as the third copy. Almost got a full playset already. Okay, I like this card so much that it keeps coming to me now. Right. And we are down to the last pack. So that was the 4th box. Rather uneventful, I have to say. Right. Let's Just gonna recap myself because I did so fast I cannot really remember what I got. Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I'll make a note to move stuff aside. Okay. Okay. Let's go, 5th box. Oh man. Another copy of Nani. What? Did we not just see this? Yeah. What is going on? Seeing double. Frame. Alright. Ooh. Okay, another holographic card. So more copies of the Sentinel. Let's see if I can get a full set of 4. Right. I believe that makes 4 of these already. So we have 1 playset down. Reaching the end. Okay. More EDR drones. And the last pack of the box. Alright. Okay, I'm back. Alright, the camera cut out on me halfway through. But yeah, here is our last box. Alright. So yeah. Good thing I realized it before it was too late. It was a bit too late actually. Couldn't make it smooth. So sorry for the awkward transition, but alright. we are doing our final box now, right? And I'm holding the box upside down. Yeah, alright. Let's go on to our last box. Okay, another gear groovy. That's nice. So that makes a full pair of it. Not sure how many people usually play, whether they play 2 or whether they play 4. Not really sure. Ooh, another sentinel. Right. So yeah, last box to get stuff. Let's see what we get inside. Oh, yeah, this card really likes me, I think. I really like it too, but I do not need so many of it, I don't think. Oh, another rebellion. So we're getting quite good numbers of all the triple rare cards. And yep, I think this is the last pack already. So that's a wrap for today. Yeah, another G Guardian. How exciting. Alright guys, sorry for the awkward transition in between. But otherwise, yeah, that's all the unboxing that we did today. Okay, just a quick summary of what I got, because I forgot to do that just now. 1 copy of the GR card. For triple Rs, we have 3 copies of this, 2 copies of this, alright, 3 copies of this as well, and 2 copies of these, and finally 1 copy of this one. Right, on to double rares. Let me just adjust everyone first. Okay, double rares. 1, 2, 3. 3 of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these. Right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 of this guy. And 1, 2. 2 of this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There's 5 of this girl. That's a bit too many. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 of this sentinel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good number. 4 of these. Okay. So that's all the holo cards that I pulled. It's a decent pull, I think. I think I should add these 2 in as well, because these are special reprints. So 2 copies of this reprint of Next Stage. So overall pretty decent. I kind of wish there was a bit more, but hey, I think it's not bad for what it is. And we have one of these as well. Okay, so that's a wrap for this video. And in case you guys are wondering, I do have this one, alright, the new trial deck. It's out with the Chrono Jet Dragon G. Very nice hot stamped symbol right there. So we'll take a look at this in the upcoming video. So I'll see you guys there, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.